Today I'm going to show how I would like my students to work with video tutorials. This could be for anybody. If you want to work on watching a tutorial and at the same time, how do you work on the program that you're trying to use? So here's a couple ways in Windows that you can do that. So on my website, we've got a video. So I'm going to open this video, how to make a beach background using Sketchpad. Okay, I'm going to pop that open. And I've already opened Sketchpad in another window. This is actually a thing you should do, another tab.
Okay, so here's how we're
So
gonna do this.
I'm
We're
gonna
gonna
pause
make a
it.
beat.
So there's our video. I make sure the sound works. Make sure that I got this audio. You have audio on your own computer at the very bottom where the time is. And you can click on that and adjust that volume. I always suggest putting it somewhere around 80, 75%. And if you have, it's really loud for you, when you have the regular volume on here, you can adjust that volume down. Okay, so number one, you're going to open up the tab where you have the program you're going to use, okay? And then you open up the video. And you can actually click and hold and drag that down. Now, I know a lot of people just move. They move things and they drag them all the way down to the bottom of the screen. That is not a great way to do this. So Windows is a cool solution for you to not have to do that at all. So look, I've got this Sketchpad on its own window. If I'm going to take my thumb and my pointer finger, and I'm going to put my thumb on the Alt on the left side of the space bar on my keyboard over here. Yeah, okay, I can't show it to you. And then I'm going to tap the tab key. And when you tap it, it pops open this little bar, and you can switch between open windows. So now I can go tab, and I can open and get to the video. I can tab back and get to Sketchpad. Alt, tab, and I just tap twice. I hold down Alt and I tap it, and then you can switch back and forth. Now that's one way to switch back and forth. You can have full screen. Or another thing you can do is you can take so like this is the window right here of this. Sorry, I got to click the middle button here to make it smaller so you can move it. If I click here in the holding area where I can drag it from anywhere in this space up here at the top, you can click and drag. If I touch the side of the screen, it will pop it to half the screen. And then I can actually select another option and at half the screen. So now I have half the screen is my video tutorial.
Right there. And we're going to do it super
and
fast.
Screen
use
is
this background for pivots.
Sketchpad.
Here's how you do it. You're going to select your.
So that is one way.
You're going to make sure that the fill button is turned off. You can turn it on and off. You're going to make sure that your outline color is on 100%.
There we go. Just get rid of me. So hopefully that's helpful and shows you a way that you can work with multiple programs and multiple windows. And you can choose a way that you like best. If you like to see both at the same time, so you're sort of doing it while it's saying it, or if you like to switch back and forth so you can have it open to your full screen, depending on how small your screen is. You might really want all that extra space if you're on a little Chromebook. You might want to do the Alt tab so you can jump back and forth between two windows. If you're on a, actually, I don't know if you can do that on a Chromebook. Maybe you can. I don't know. Can you? Someone tell me. Tell me in the comments. Anyway, have a great day. I hope that was helpful. Bye. Happy New Year.